there are these female pins mounted on the Pyboard itself, and then male pins that plug in with a short end going into the into this main board, and the long pins going into the Pyboard female headers. So I'll plug that in like that. You can see I'm not using the last two positions, but you can span the whole thing if you like. And I'll put in the rest of these male connectors. And then it's ready to solder onto the board. And it's difficult to remove something this big, but with these connectors it's at least possible. So I have to flip the board around for soldering. There, maybe you can see the pins for soldering, and I'll turn on the solder fume sucker. And I usually solder corners first to make sure the thing stays in position. So I'm heating the pin. I go there. And there. 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 Okay. Now I could have soldered these male pins to the board and separately done the females on the Pyboard. But then if these male pins were not exactly straight, which can happen, then they wouldn't connect properly. So by putting the male connectors, connecting them to the female connectors, I ensure that which were put on straight, I make sure that everything is straight.